Are you in the market for a new gas fireplace? Maybe you're tired of the cleaning and maintenance wood-burning units require. Or maybe you just want to add a fireplace to your home to create a new modern look. If you're searching for a cleaner burning, more efficient fireplace, then gas is the option for you. In this buyer's guide, let eFireplaceStore walk you through the basics of gas fireplaces. The specialists at eFireplaceStore are certified by the National Fireplace Institute, which means theirs is the knowledge you should trust when it comes to your hearth appliance. Why should you consider a gas fireplace? A prefabricated gas fireplace goes straight into your wall. There's no previous masonry fireplace required. So, one can be installed almost anywhere in your home: the living room, the bedroom, the bathroom, or the kitchen. A fireplace comes with its own firebox and gas burner assembly included as part of the appliance. Since the burner is permanently integrated with its firebox, you don't have to do the additional work of finding a gas log set that's the right size for the box. Unlike wood-burning fireplaces, gas fireplaces can't be retrofitted down the road to burn solid fuels. But gas models do range in size and installation options. They also offer better combustion efficiency and a cleaner burn. This means less cleaning and better air quality for your home. How do you maintain a gas fireplace? The care and maintenance of your fireplace play a major role in how well it functions. We recommend having a qualified hearth appliance service person conduct an inspection annually. Regular service will extend the lifespan and efficiency of your unit. While performance issues are best handled by a specialist, there are a few things you can do on your own between visits. They come down to inspecting the fireplace and the venting system for any obvious signs of damage. Visually inspect your appliance for excessive burner or pilot assembly corrosion. Remove any buildups of dust or dander from the valve area and control bay. And verify that any glass, screen, or door assemblies still operate and seal as they should. How long do gas fireplaces last? The burner and valve assemblies of modern gas fireplaces are quite durable and can easily last for 20 years or more with regular maintenance. One of the biggest enemies of gas appliances, though, is inactivity. Be sure to use your fireplace at least a few times each season to prevent oxidation from building up and to burn off dust. If you use your fireplace frequently, you may start to see signs of wear within about 3 to 5 years. You shouldn't be surprised if you need to replace small ignition system parts like thermocouples or push-button igniters every 5 to 7 years or so. But in the end, the most important thing to remember is to enjoy your new gas fireplace. The only thing that beats the excitement of shopping for a new gas fireplace is the thrill of owning the right one. Start your journey by checking out the full Gas Fireplace Buyer's Guide at eFireplaceStore.com, where you can shop and continue to learn from our ever-growing library of articles, videos, and other guides. And for questions about individual models in our vast selection of gas fireplaces, our NFI Certified Specialists are just a phone call or email away. Thanks for watching.